Hello friends, I am Muskan. Today we will learn about React Native bottom tab bar navigation. We will implement bottom tab bar using React Navigation bottom tabs. What is bottom tab navigator? A simple tab bar on the bottom of the screen that lets you switch between different routes. Routes are lazily initialized. Their screen components are not mounted until they are first focused. You can see a real-life example of bottom tab navigation. Here, if I click on any bottom tab bar item, it will navigate to the another screen. To use this navigator, ensure that you have its dependent libraries. So for this we will need to install some libraries which are React Navigation Native and React Navigation bottom tab. Here is the example code of React Native bottom tab. So we will understand this example with code. Let's get started. First, I am installing the following required modules in my project directory. I already have React Navigation, which we used in last video for navigate screens in the sidebar. So now I am installing React Navigation bottom tabs for creating bottom tab bar. For icons, we need to install React Native vector icons. So I am installing vector icon library also. Let's start implementing now. I am creating a file named tabbar.js inside bottom tab folder. Creating functional component. And I will add this file in app.js. When I save the file, it reflects in the device. I am importing navigation container from React Navigation Native. And I will use navigation container instead of view. Importing create bottom tab navigator from React Navigation bottom tabs. Now I am creating a tab using create bottom tab navigator. Adding tab.navigator and inside this tab.screens. Like we did for side drawer in last video. Inside tab.screens we have to pass some props for our bottom tab menu like name, what will display in menu and top of the header, and route in component prop, which component we want to show on the menu. So I am adding name and component. For the first screen I have created a file article.js. So let's import this. And for this I need to import components. For bottom navigation I have already created some files, so I just import here. If you want to see the code of files, you will get code on my GitHub. I will provide link in the description. And like this I will import all the files and add in tab.screens. Also adding name which will show on the bottom tab menu. I have added 4 items in bottom tab. You can add according to your application needs. You can see over here our bottom tab bar is ready, but icons not visible. For this in tab.navigator we have one prop named screen options. We can add routes in this so that we can get route of bottom tab, and we can add icon on that route. Inside this we have one option which is tab bar icon. In tab bar icon we can take color or size as a parameter. I am taking a variable for icon name, so it will check either route is match or not. Then it will show icon according to routes. Like in bottom tab I have first route article. So for this I will show article icon. I am adding article here. And for chat I am using chat bubble. For contact I am using contact. For album I am using photo album. Now we need to import icon for showing those icons. So let's import icon from React Native vector icons. I am using material icons. It will return icon view from here, and adding name of the icon which is icon name. Now adding size of the icon and color of the icon. And here you can see all the icons is now showing up. So our bottom tab bar is ready. Like this you can create your bottom tab in React Native. Thanks for watching. If you like my work, please do like, share and subscribe.